that's over here?
What's that over here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's open it and find out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. This is Lana, and we are going to do a Pop Mart haul. A couple months ago, one of my friends had a Labubu, and I thought they looked really cute, but they were really hard to find. So when we went to Europe, I told my husband, hey, let's go check out a Pop Mart at the Louvre and see what we could find there. I had heard that the Louvre and the Paris Pop Marts weren't as busy at the time to be able to get Labubus. Oh my goodness. But, so we figured we'd go and check them out. When we were there, what are you doing, baby? Oh, you want to look at them. I see. Okay. We will.
What's inside?
We will. My goodness, we will. Okay. So we were in Paris, and the Pop Mart in the Louvre actually had some Labubus just in stock. Generally, the rest of these we've bought either. We will open. Okay. And I will. We will. You ready? We can open it. Okay. And I will give it to you to open. Okay. Let mommy talk about all them first. Okay.
Let's see what's inside.
We will open them. I'm so excited for you to open them. Are you excited? When we were in Paris, we got these two at the Louvre. I was able to get the rest of these either online at Pop Mart themselves or in store at Pop Mart. The cool thing about buying this one at the Louvre is you can just walk in and buy it. This small little one is a Louvre exclusive, which is pretty cool. And we got this extra little keychain, which is also a Louvre exclusive. I've been, wanting to get one of each different type of Labubu. The Have a Seat, the Macaron. This is a special edition.
What's inside?
Yeah. What's inside? We will open it. And then these are two little Disney ones, which aren't Labubus, but they were super cute. So let's get them open and see what's inside, right? Do you want to see what's inside? Which one do you want to open first?
This one.
You want to open this one? Okay. You ready? You want to see? Okay. Pull this. You see this right here? Okay. You ready? You see that? Pull. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
What's that over here?
Yeah, you want to open?
What's that over here?
What's that over here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's open it and find out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
We have a bag. Okay, what's inside? You want to open the bag? Okay, you're going to open the bag. Okay, you want to pull it? Right here? Pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. And it's a Donald Duck. Oh, that's so cute. You love Donald Duck. Do you love it?
I love dancing.
Do you love dancing? Do you like it? Oh, it's so cute. That's one of the ones Mommy wanted because it has Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Chip, and Dale. And Mommy really wanted Mickey or Minnie or Donald and Daisy, and we got Donald. That's so cute. Can you say, look?
Oh, hi.
Hi. Do you like? Nice to meet you. It's so cute. You see, there's a card inside too. It's a Mickey Mouse. It's a Donald Duck card. Wow. Do you like it?
I love it. I want him.
You love him? Oh, I'm glad you like it. What's yours? Okay, do you want to open another one? Do you want to open this one?
Yes.
Yes. This is also a Disney one. Lana, do you want to open this one? You ready? You want to open this one? Okay. Want to help me? You want to help me pull? Want to help me pull? You want to help me pull? Right here? Lana, look. I'm opening this one. Look. Oh, I'm glad you like him.
Oh, it's so much. What's here?
Right here? Look, we have another. Oh.
Oh, wow. What is the goofy name?
Okay, let's see what's inside.
What is the goofy name?
You want to see if there's a Goofy? Oh, maybe there's a Goofy. You want to see? Okay, open.
Oh.
Okay, you want to pull it? Open.
What is the goofy name?
Oh, it's not Goofy, but it's Pluto. Oh, that's so cute. Do you like it?
Labubu Haul.
It's right here. It's a Pluto. That's so cute.
What the blue do? Me and Goofy.
Uh-huh.
And one Daisy.
Oh, I guess you don't like that one as much, but it's Pluto. Do you like Pluto?
Wow. It's Donald Duck.
It's Donald Duck. I think you like
We
Donald.
have to find Goofy.
Oh, we have to find Goofy. I guess we have to buy another box and try to find Goofy then, huh? Do you like this one? Do you like this one? I like this one. It's so... Yeah.
Let's try this one.
Let's try this one. You want to open one more? One more? This one?
What?
You want to open this guy? Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
What is the Donald Duck?
Oh, this is a Labubu, baby. This is a have a seat Labubu. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
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 Wow.
Now, you want to help me open it? Here. You ready?
Now Donald Duck.
Oh, it is. Oh, it's a purple Labubu. It is Zizi. Zizi. Oh, cute. Do you like it?
Let's see.
See, is it Zizi? It is Zizi.
It's what's here. Wow. So beautiful. Now it's what's here. Now they go to sleep.
You like it?
Now this one. Now this one. Now they go to sleep.
You want to open this one now? Okay, this is a exciting macaroon one. You ready? Open.
Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, look at that bag. You ready? You want to open it?
Let's open it. Oh.
Open.
Look.
Oh, look. It's a Labubu. It is. Who's that? Who's that? This is Toffee. So cute.
Oh, this is one thing.
Yeah, it's a sticker. Do you like it?
Now they go to sleep.
Now they all go to sleep.
Ooh, baby. Baby sleeping. Baby sleeping.
Yeah, it's sleeping. Its eyes are closed, so it's sleeping.
Baby sleeping. It's baby.
Yeah,
It's a baby.
it is a baby.
Baby, you wet your head with Donald Duck.
Ooh, you want to use this one first?
Which one?
Right here?
Over
This is the
here.
Monsters art. We got this at the Louvre Pop Mart, and it's an exclusive only at the Louvre. That's pretty cool, right? Do you want to open it and see what's inside?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's see, let's see. This is not a stuffy one, it's a figurine. Let's see what's inside. Okay, you want to open it? Open. Let's say. Oh wow, that's so cute. This is the little dancer art one. It's so cute. It's a little figurine. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Let's put it right here. Can she stand? Oh.
Let's see.
Let's see the card. You want to look at the card? Ooh, look. It's the little dancer card. Oh.
What's it doing?
Okay.
What's that one?
Okay, this is our last one. This is the last one we got in Paris, at the Louvre in Paris. This is a Coca-Cola Labubu. Oh, let's see, say Coca-Cola. Okay, can you say Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Let me move.
Huh? Let me move it? Okay, I'm gonna move it.
Ooh.
Oh, you like that one too. Okay, let's gonna open this one. Do you wanna help mommy open it?
Put on this one.
Okay.
Now go.
What is this one? This one?
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh wow, that's so cute! This is Happy Factor!
Now open it.
You wanna open
What's
it?
inside?
Oh my goodness, that's super cute!
What's inside?
Oh my goodness, Grandpa loves Coca-Cola stuff. He's gonna love this one, huh? Do you wanna we have to show this to Grandpa after. Oh wow! Isn't it cute? Ew! Oh, that's super cute.
Now the news.
It's drinking a Coca-Cola. That's super cute. Look at that. And even has a scarf. Oh, we're not opening that one. We can see that one. But we opened, how many did we open? Huh? We opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. First, we got, the first one is the Donald Duck from the Mickey Family series. Hi, Donald.
What did the missing Mom Donald?
Oh, okay. And then we got a Pluto from the Demo Disney collection. That's so cute. I love Pluto. And then we opened a Have a Seat and got ZZ. And then we opened a Macaron and got Toffee. Hi, Toffee. And then we opened a Coca-Cola and we got Happy Factor. How cute are these? Do you love it? Do you love them all? And then we got this one, which is a Let's Checkmate, which we're gonna leave in the box because it's so cute. So this was our Pop Mart haul. We had a good time opening up. Lana seems to love all these and she's gonna have fun playing with them. And I'm gonna put it on her bags and she's gonna have a great time. And you know, we had a good time opening them, huh? Yeah? You had fun? Did you have fun opening them?
No, baby up top.
Oh, the baby's up top.
Let's get him down.
Yeah, let's get him down.
Oh, so cute.
So we had a good time opening them, and now we have Labubus. The only ones we don't have is the Big Into Energy, which are pretty hard to get. So maybe we'll keep looking for it, but I think I have a decent amount of Labubus and Disney collectibles to keep me happy. So thanks for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see you at the next one soon. Lana, say bye. Say bye.